Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace on Notion. Whether you're cleaning up unused workspaces or consolidating your projects, this process will help you permanently remove a workspace from your account. First, open Notion in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar where all your workspaces are listed. Click on the specific workspace you want to delete. This step is important because you need to be inside the workspace to access its deletion settings. After selecting your workspace, locate the Settings option in the left sidebar, which should appear directly under the workspace name. Click on it to open the Settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your workspace, including member management, security settings, and workspace preferences. In the new window that appears, you'll see several tabs on the left side. Click on the General tab under the Workspace section. This tab contains the core settings for your workspace, including its name, icon, and more critical functions like deletion options. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you find the Danger Zone section. This area is specifically designated for irreversible actions, which is why it's clearly marked with a warning label. Here you'll find the option to permanently delete your entire workspace. Click the red Delete Entire Workspace button. This action will trigger a confirmation window to appear, which is Notion's way of ensuring you don't accidentally delete important information. In this pop-up window, you'll need to type the exact name of the workspace you're deleting. This verification step prevents accidental deletions and confirms that you're certain about removing this workspace. Once you've typed the workspace name correctly, click the Permanently Delete Workspace button to finalize the deletion. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you've backed up any important data or exported content you might need before proceeding. Once deleted, all pages, databases, and content within that workspace will be lost forever. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.